Thank you for joining us tonight. A local health club has revoked a man's gym membership because of a racist comment he made to another man in the locker room. Gabriela Becerra spoke with the man who was targeted. Meanwhile, the Dane County Board of Supervisors is formally acknowledging that comments like these have negative health impacts, and they plan to declare racism a public health crisis. Amy Reed explains what this means as far as real action goes.
This is mostly a symbolic move. It does not come with any funding attached, but in my conversation with the board chair, the board is willing to do the work to back it up.
There's been recommendations and there's been years of recommendations, and for whatever reason, not everything has been implemented, and it's time to implement.
Dane County Board Chair Annalise Eicher says tonight's move is just a sign of things to come.
This is just another piece of the broader puzzle of something that we can do right now. We can make this declaration, and it is on us to live up to this declaration.
Declaring racism a public health crisis is a move advocates for racial justice have praised in the past, as the Public Health Department and the City of Madison did the same last year. Multiple studies have shown the impact stress and discrimination play on a person's health, ultimately leading to worse outcomes for people of color. On a county level, Eicher says board members are willing to put in the work.
We are building out not only a 6-month plan, a 3-month plan, but a year, 3 years, 5 years. What needs to happen and what can happen immediately? What can happen in 6 months? What can happen in a year from now?
In the next few months, the county board says its Judiciary Committee will look into the jail's bail policy and restorative court alternatives. They will also work to add weekend court appearances and documentation of charging decisions from the district attorney's office. But there are more recommendations to go outside of criminal justice. Eicher says it's going to take work from everyone in the county to get where we need to be.
This is really going to take every single one of us coming to the table, making some sacrifices, making some offers. But if we're truly committed to the words that we've been putting out into the public, we have to do this work.
The declaration needs to be adopted at the board's next meeting in order to be official, but Eicher said that the work is starting. The county has years of task force recommendations that they need to implement, and we'll link you to one of the reports that the county is working off of on our website.